welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create AI powered presentations with Gamma. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you can simply open your Gamma app, or you can simply open a Gamma website. So once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So you need to simply get logged in into your account. Once you are logged in into your account, from the dashboard, tap on Create New or Create with AI button. After this, tap on Generate from a prompt. Enter a simple prompt, paste the text, or import a file or URL. Once this is done, if generating from a prompt, the AI will create a presentation outline. Otherwise, you can select a theme and edit the content yourself. You can also manage the visuals and add new cards. Now simply tap on Click to present and share a link with View or Edit Access. You can also download your presentation as PDF or PowerPoint. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.